morning, everybody, uh, and good morning, participant. Today, I want to presentation about the ethic of using mnemonic technique toward students, vocabulary master of grade 11 science student of senior high school number 9, Bengkulu City. Introduction. In this chapter, I shall explain background of the problem of chapter, also mention research problem and object of research, and last research to hypothesis to a research background. English is foreign language becomes of the compulsory subject in junior high school until university. Vocabulary is most important things in learn language because a basic knowledge some or master or skill language. Type of study, experiment. Type of study, experiments, scale, vocabulary finding, mnemonic technique more effective than counting method and immediately and really recall and recognize. Type of study, action, research, skill, vocabulary finding, mnemonic strategy of an effective study tool which can be utilized with all students and apply to area and contents areas. Type of study, action, research, vocabulary find the critical role of the quadrant behavior, learns name and sound as a foundation to literary of sound, as foundation to literary force social with class. The next gap study effect of mnemonic technique at senior high school, Bengkulu City. Purpose study effect of using mnemonic technique toward student vocabulary mastery. Design, quasi experiment, student, subject, senior high school number 9, Bengkulu City. Method study is quasi-experimental design investigated the reader investigate whether a use of mnemonic technique in student improve vocabulary mastery. There are two experimental group of research mnemonic of class 11 science. One consists of 32 students of experimental group of research mnemonic technique and experiment. The second class was 11 science 2 consists of 32 students. Two fourth was control group of the study. This was student vocabulary test. The abstract of the effect of mnemonic technique toward student vocabulary master in grade an 11 session student of senior high school number 9 Bengkulu City. The study aim find out whether use mnemonic technique effective the student vocabulary master. This study employed the quasi experimental design. The subject of the study vocabulary mastery employed experimental study. The study takes a read a vocabulary. The student practice use a foreign language. Master Employee is 9, Senior High School 9, number 9, Bengkulu City. This treatment, this control was classified contextual learning. In this test, there was no significant difference this mastery between experiment class mean 70.18 in control class mean 68 with T count 0.1, T double DF 62 0.05. After the use of mnemonic technique in the first test, there was a signification difference as mastery between experiment class mean 73.51 in control class mean 67.53 with count 1.99, table 1.68, DEP 62 0.05. It can be concluded that the use of mnemonic technique was effective to student vocabulary master grade 11 science student of senior high school Bengkulu City. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.